Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about the while loop inside the Python. So first let's say we are having a variable a which is having the value 8, and now I want to use the while loop. While loop is used when you want a particular part of the code to be executed until a condition is true. So let's say I'm using while here, and here you need to mention the condition, and I'm giving the condition like a is less than 8. Wait, so after that you must put the colon so that the compiler can distinguish between the condition and the statement to be executed. So after that I'm going to write the actual statement to be executed. So first I want the value of a to be incremented by 1. So this statement will increment the value of a first, and then I'm going to print the value of a. Okay, so what this part of the code will do, first the value of a is 0, right? First the value of a is 0, and while a is less than 8, first it will increment the value of a by 1 and then print the value of a. So this part of the code should print the value 1 first, because the value was 0, but first it is incremented, so it will first increment by 1, which is 1, and then it will be printed, and the code will print the value from 1 to 8, right? So let's say, see, the values from 1 to 8 are printed. Now I want to use the break statement here. First you have to write some condition for the break. For example, I'm giving if a equals 4, and I must put the colon here, then it should break. Break statement will break the while loop, means even if this condition is true, but this condition, for this particular condition, the while loop will break, means the value 1 is printed first, then 2, then 3, but for the 4 value, when the value of a is 4, the break statement will break the while loop. Okay, so let's run this. See, 1, 2, 3 is printed, but after that all the values from 4 to 8 are not printed because we broke the while loop. And let's say I'm going to write continue statement here. What this will do, it will keep on executing the while loop statements, but it will skip this particular value. Means when the value of a is equal to 4, the statement, or you can say the value of a, will not be printed. Okay, so let's run this again. So 1, 2, 3, 4 value is skipped here, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the 4 value, it skipped it, but the while loop is not broke. It will keep on executing this statement until this condition is true. Okay, so this is how you can use the break and continue statement with the while loop. Okay.